counter shots. From here, all you can do is block or get kicked. Okay, that's if you're stronger than the other person. If you guys want to see me actually kick a person with this kick in the head hard, click on this link above, okay? This is a link of me actually accidentally kicking a student with my full power in the jaw with this technique.
I'm the best kicker in Street Fighter on YouTube.
Holy shit!
I have the strongest, fastest, most flexible legs, as you guys can see right here. There's plenty of videos of me out-kicking movie stars, out-kicking fighters, out-kicking everybody. Kicking is what I do. But I'm also an international bouncer with experience in over 4 countries. So these are part of the reasons you should listen to me. Subscribe, comment, like, hit the bell button so you don't miss out on nothing. There is no YouTuber with my amount of street fights.
2 Dutch defensive drills coming straight from the Netherlands. You guys are going to learn how to defend one of the hardest kicks, the liver kick, in 2 ways. If someone is kicking you that's stronger than you, and if someone is kicking you that's weaker or the same strength as you, because these are 2 different techniques with 2 different kinds of kicks, but you're blocking the same kick. So let's get into this video.
This is technique 1 from part 1. This is against someone smaller or someone the same size as you. In this video, we're going to get into someone bigger.
Block here, and the person's stronger than you, you're not going to go forward like I did a minute ago. You're basically going to be pushed to the side. The kick is going to move you. So the smartest idea, so you don't break your arms and you get a counter kick in, is to let the kick move you. So you block, you move with the kick, you let the kick move you, and as you're moving with the kick, in mid-air, you do a roundhouse kick in this direction. Okay, and it looks like this. Switch. So you're fighting, the person switches. I know if you're going to do a power kick, they're heavier than me, they're bigger than me, so I'm preparing. Pop. You kick. Okay? One more time. You switch. You know they're coming. Okay? Combination number 1. You're stronger than the person, you're bigger than the person, they switch the legs. Oh, yeah. Make sure you block, otherwise you're going to get in the face. Go. Okay, the other kick. The person's heavier, bigger than you. Go. And you kick in this direction. Okay, so that'll be it for this video, guys. If you guys want to see a playlist of other Dutch kickboxing techniques, click here. A playlist of me knocking people out, click here. A playlist of me out kicking movie stars here. And YouTube tips, you might want to see this video. So the next video, guys.